In this lesson, we'll learn how to graph the linear function y equals 9x. We'll start by writing our equation on screen. To plot the graph, we'll create a table of values. We'll select a few x values and calculate the corresponding y values using the equation. Now let's go through our table as we calculate y for each x value. When x is -2, y is -18. When x is -1, y is -9. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 9. When x is 2, y is 18. Now that we have our table of values, let's move on to plotting these points on the coordinate plane. We'll set up the axes so we can plot our points and visualize the graph. We'll now plot each of our calculated points from the table onto the graph, starting with -2, -18, next -1, -9, then 0, 0, the point 1, 9, and finally 2, 18. Now, let's draw the line through these points, which represents the graph of y equals 9x. And there you have it. We've successfully graphed the linear function y equals 9x using a table of values. To quickly review, remember that linear functions form a straight line, and that the slope of the line is determined by the coefficient of x, which in this case is 9. To summarize, we created a table of values by choosing x values and calculating y. We plotted these points on a coordinate plane and connected them to draw the line representing y equals 9x. This method can be used to graph different types of functions, ensuring a clear visualization